Hi, this is Mike from Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To. In today's video, nice and short and simple, how to factory reset your Ugreen Hitune TWS earbuds. Keep watching to find out more. Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to do a full factory reset on your Ugreen Hitune TWS earbuds. Very simple to do, but obviously watching a video is certainly easier than reading instructions. So what you want to do is to get your earbuds, make sure that the power bank has actually got some charge in it. Take out both your buds, put both buds back in, and make sure the charging light comes on the front. Press and hold on both buttons for approximately 8 seconds, or until you see the blue LED flash 3 times. So it's done that now, and just release, and that is it. That is your buds factory reset. So let's give you a close up of that so you can see it a little bit better. So take both buds out, both buds back in, make sure charging's on, press and hold the touch sensors for the count of 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and wait till both buds flash 3 times, and that is it. You're done. They are now reset and ready to be paired. So if you take them out now, you'll see that they both flash with the blue LED briefly, and then on the other side, so it's ready to pair. So there you go. So there you go, that is how to do a factory reset on your Ugreen Hitune earbuds. I've been Mike, this is Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and hopefully we'll catch you in the very next video. Thanks for watching.